Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the smooth hash ribbons indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the smooth hash ribbons indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 533 indicators, with 227 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the smooth hash ribbons, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And basically this indicator only gives buy signals, and so what we are looking for is when we get one of these blue dots here with the buy signal underneath there, the buy words, that is when we are going to go long. That's the setup that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we got was right here. We can see that we got the long signal there, but price action pushes down pretty hard almost immediately, stopping us out on that one. And then you can kind of see the same thing happens right here on the second signal. Gives the signal to enter, and then immediately price action pushes down, stopping us out on that one as well. Let's go ahead and continue forward. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Pretty easy, doesn't take much to see there. So we have 1, 2, and 3 trades all together, and we only have one winner. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we was looking for. All in all, this indicator was a little strange. Seemed like it would do better than what it did. Might play around with it a few more times to see if there's something else that I'm missing, or another way to try and test this one. And yeah, see if we can't get something better out of it. I don't think even if we do, it's going to help the number of trades that it did in a year's time. And so I think it kind of has a double flaw there, where it's not doing enough trades and it's not doing them accurately. So all in all, I don't have much hope for this one. So for now, we are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.